The battery capacity of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for next year was just revealed by leak via Twitter. Sawyer Golux claims that in an effort to control expenses, Samsung's flagship phone for the top tier will still have a 5000 mAh capacity and enable 45W rapid charging. In order to extend battery life and facilitate 65W charging more quickly, stacked batteries were originally intended to be used. Though there was dismay over the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery capacity remaining the same, Samsung apparently decided to delay this feature until 2026, saving it for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Another tipster by the name of Panda Flash has some exciting news. Panda Flash, who claims to have information from an unidentified source. A future Galaxy S series generation from Samsung may come with a new function dubbed Battery AI. Although Panda Flash did not receive details on how Battery AI works, it is speculated that it may work by shutting down background tasks that consume system resources. This feature is supposed to give the phone an additional 5% to 10% runtime. Typically, software aim at extending battery life achieve this by throttling the CPU and GPU or by limiting the capabilities of the 5G modem. While maintaining connection and performance, this strategy could be able to improve power use. Since most of Panda Flash's postings center on the 2025 flagship line, it's plausible to assume that the feature might debut early next year with the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Panda Flash hasn't specifically said if Battery AI would debut with the Galaxy S25 series. Although Samsung introduced Galaxy AI with its flagship series this year, incorporating Battery AI into the Galaxy S25 line would be in line with their methodology. However, for the feature to work properly, it would need to be compatible with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Exynos 2500 application processors, which are expected to power the 2025 models. Should Samsung implement this feature the following year, it might deflect some attention from complaints made against the company for keeping the Ultra model's battery capacity at 5000 mAh since the release of the Galaxy S21 in 2021. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.